Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this unit that I got from Beauty Forever, and as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. This brown, these blonde highlights is just on point. I have never reviewed a wig like this, so definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna show you two different styling because when I originally got it, I just wanted a flip over, nothing too fancy, and then I didn't really like how that looked, so I decided to change it to a middle part to C, and I absolutely love it right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing all the styling on this wig on camera. Definitely stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rich. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the go.
So today's hair is from Beauty Forever. Okay, this is the packaging. Inside you get a wig cap, some mink lashes, a tail comb, as well as a pair of earrings. Here is a look at the hair. And as you can see, it is brown with blonde highlights. It's so pretty. The curls is beautiful. But let me show you what the cap construction is like. It is a frontal, and as you can see, the wig has 3 combs and adjustable straps, and the back are bundles that are sewn onto the cap, but it is full lace. Okay, and I took this shampoo to tone the hair from like a brassy color to like really pretty. Okay, I am back, and as you can see, I'm back with a new look. But really quick, I'm going to show you what the hair looked like after styling it and it being on my head. I wasn't really a big fan of it, but I'm going to show you it really quick, and then we'll get into the details of this wig. Okay, there was nothing wrong with that look. However, I wanted something a little bit more calmed down because I'm kind of trying to get used to these tones on me. Even though it doesn't look bad, I kind of would have preferred if it had just a little bit of black in here, but it's like gold and like highlighted with blondes, and there's a little bit of brown. It's just a different look for me, so it's taking a little bit for me to get used to it, but I think it is so beautiful. I think they did an amazing job with the coloring. Like, oh my god, it is so freaking pretty. And these curls, oh, they're gorgeous. And the way I did my my curly hair routine is definitely different because I usually do not use that type of brush. I usually use the wet brush, and I usually go for something like more wavy. So what I did to create this look is I wet the hair down. I used that same brush in the video, and what I did after it is once it was dried, I just fluffed it out. Okay, that's all I did. I just finger comb and fluff it out. And this is the look, okay? So let's get into the specs. So this unit is from Beauty Forever, and this is their 13x4 number 412 Jerry curl lace front wig, and it is 150% density, and I have it in the inches, 24 inches, which is the longest inches they carry. I think this wig is absolutely beautiful, and I would definitely say it is something that I would recommend. Like, the color job alone on this unit is out of this world. The curls pop. The curls are fluffy, they are soft. I haven't been getting any tangling, and I've actually been wearing it for the past 3 days straight. I have been wearing it, like, I even went to Walmart with this hair, and I wasn't even feeling like confident, but I got a lot of compliments while I was there, and I kind of warmed up to it. But I knew as soon as I was in the store, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to try it with a middle part because I'm just not feeling it flipped over. And maybe if I do flip it over the next time, I will add a part instead of just doing a flip over, okay, like a C part. But I think this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Shipping was very, very fast. I got it within a week. Shedding has been like very minimal. It hasn't been anything crazy. The most shedding I get is around the hairline, and that's because I cut the lace, and I'm pretty sure that is all. It is very, very easy maintenance, very, very easy styling. I had no problems whatsoever with this unit. You don't even have to do plucking. I think it is a great buy, and I would highly recommend it. If I had to give it a rating, it would definitely be 10 out of 10. If y'all have any questions for me, y'all can let me know down in the comments. This is pretty much the end of the video. I don't have any more information. It's just I give it, it's a go, y'all. It's a go. I say get it. I've seen this wig a lot on YouTube, and I was like really like interested, but I was scared because of the color. But I think that if you're a brown girl, it's a go. Like, if you're a brown girl and you're scared to get this unit, I would say it's a go. What I did was I toned it, also because I really just didn't like the original color on my skin complexion. I just didn't like it, so I went in and toned it to make it a little bit lighter and a little bit more of an ash color, and I think it looks so much better on my skin complexion. All right, so yeah, that's all the information. All my products will be listed down in the bottom bar for you, just in case you would like to purchase any of the products that I use in my hair. And yeah, if y'all have any questions for me, again, y'all can ask me in the comments and I will get back to you. I have so much more videos coming, so definitely stay tuned. We are trying out all type of different wigs. It's been so long since I've been doing wig reviews, and I'm so excited now. Like, I'm so excited about hair again. I am having fun. So yeah, I want y'all to have fun too, all right? And it is on a budget, girl. I've been giving y'all budget friendly wig reviews back to back to back. Like this video for that, all right? But yeah, let's chat down in the comments. I love y'all so much. I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will speak to y'all in my next video. Check all my videos out because I have a whole bunch of new videos that I already posted and a whole bunch of new videos coming. I love y'all. Speak to y'all in my next video. Bye.